going to talk about the engine plate from the SEEANDBEE. It is the brass plaque that you can see behind me here. The SEEANDBEE was a passenger ship. It was built in 1913, and at the time it was the largest passenger ship on the Great Lakes. It sailed between Cleveland and Buffalo, SEEANDBEE, get it, hence the name. In 1942, it was purchased by the US Navy and it was transformed into an aircraft carrier, and they used it to train pilots on Lake Michigan during World War II. They took many things out of the SEEANDBEE in the transformation, but they left the engine and they left the engine plate. So the engine plate was aboard through the rest of the war. This is Ellen Kennedy, and this has been your museum moment.